Welcome. Bird here. I'm inviting you to join me April 5th for a 7-class beginners yoga series focusing on overall health and well-being. These 7 classes will offer beginner-friendly poses, stretches, and movements to help keep you accountable and feeling your best on and off the mat. This series is in collaboration with Liquido Active, a brand that offers ethically made, eco-friendly activewear to help give you peace of mind about the brand you're supporting while not compromising movement and comfort within your practice. Be sure to click the link below to receive each class straight to your inbox. See you on the mat.